Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gas chainsaws available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a homeowner tackling DIY projects or a professional needing reliable equipment, this list has something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Oregon CS1500 18-inch electric chainsaw. Priced at $97.74. This is the budget-friendly option on our list. But don't let the price fool you. It's packed with features that make it ideal for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. The standout feature here is the integrated PowerSharp self-sharpening system, which lets you sharpen the chain in just 3 to 5 seconds. This means less downtime and more productivity. Plus, the automatic lubrication system ensures the chain stays in excellent condition during extended use. In terms of design, the Oregon CS1500 is lightweight at just 12.6 pounds and features an ergonomic design with a built-in chain brake for enhanced safety. It's also incredibly quiet compared to gas-powered chainsaws, making it perfect for residential use. Since it's corded, you don't have to worry about running out of battery or fuel, but keep in mind that you'll need access to a power outlet. While the CS1500 is not ideal for heavy-duty jobs, it's a fantastic choice for smaller tasks like pruning, cutting firewood, or light yard cleanup. The tool-free chain tensioning system adds to its ease of use, making this a great value for the price. However, its reliance on electricity limits its portability. All in all, if you're looking for an affordable, hassle-free chainsaw for basic tasks, this is an excellent option. At number 4, we have the Pinkway 63cc gas-powered chainsaw. Priced at $119.99, this chainsaw is a step up in power and versatility. It features a robust 63cc engine delivering 3.5 horsepower and an impressive engine speed of up to 8,500 RPM. This makes it suitable for medium to large jobs like felling trees and cutting firewood. The package includes 2 bars, 18-inch and 20-inch, for added flexibility, allowing you to switch between tasks with ease. The design is well thought out, with anti-vibration and non-slip handles that make it comfortable to operate. The automatic chain oiler ensures smooth performance and extends the life of the chain, while the quick start technology minimizes the effort required to get it running. Weighing 18.7 pounds, it's heavier than some models, but that's expected given its powerful engine. This chainsaw is ideal for users who need a reliable tool for moderate to heavy-duty tasks. However, it's not the most fuel-efficient model, so keep that in mind for extended use. While the build quality is solid, the higher weight and slightly louder operation may be less comfortable for prolonged sessions. Overall, the Pinkway 63cc chainsaw offers solid performance and versatility at a reasonable price. Coming in at number 3 is the Skil PWR Core 40 Brushless 40V 14-inch chainsaw kit. While the price is currently unavailable, this chainsaw shines in terms of advanced technology and convenience. It's powered by a 40V lithium battery with PWR Core technology, which extends battery life and provides longer runtime. The included auto PWR jump charger is a game changer, allowing you to charge the battery from 0 to 30% in just 15 minutes. The brushless motor ensures efficient performance, making this chainsaw great for cutting branches and stumps without the maintenance hassles of gas models. The 14-inch chain length is ideal for light to medium tasks, and the toolless chain tensioning system allows for quick adjustments on the go. With auto lubrication and an anti-kickback brake, this chainsaw is designed for smooth, safe operation. Its lightweight build and weather-resistant construction make it suitable for outdoor use in various conditions. However, the 14-inch bar limits its capability for larger jobs. If you're looking for a cordless option with modern features and easy handling, the Skil PWR Core 40 is worth considering. Just note that you'll need to factor in battery life for extended use. At number 2, we have the Husqvarna 450 Rancher gas chainsaw. Known for its reliability and performance, this chainsaw features a powerful 50.2cc 3.2 horsepower X-torque engine. The 20-inch bar is perfect for larger tasks like tree pruning, yard cleanups, and firewood cutting. Husqvarna's Smart Start technology ensures effortless startup, while the inertia-activated chain brake enhances safety by reducing kickback risks. The air injection system is a standout feature, filtering out large debris particles before they reach the air filter, extending engine life significantly. The ergonomic design includes a soft inlay handle and low-vib technology, which reduces vibrations, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Weighing only 11.33 pounds, it's impressively lightweight for a gas-powered chainsaw of this caliber. Ideal for professional landscapers and serious homeowners, the Husqvarna 450 Rancher is reliable and efficient. However, it's on the pricier side and requires regular maintenance to keep it running at peak performance. If you're tackling demanding projects and need a tool that's built to last, this is an excellent choice. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the WTHW 58cc gas-powered chainsaw. Priced at $139.99, this premium chainsaw offers exceptional versatility and power. The 58cc two-stroke engine delivers 3.5 horsepower and comes with quick switch bars, 20-inch and 18-inch, allowing you to adapt to various tasks effortlessly. Whether you're felling large trees or precision pruning, this chainsaw can handle it all. The design is robust yet user-friendly, featuring a centrifugal air filter and automatic oiler to protect the engine and prolong its life. The Quick Start recoil system ensures reliable startups even in cold weather. Safety is a priority here, with an inertial chain brake and a low kickback chain for added control. At 14.5 pounds, it's heavier than some models, but the dual-spring anti-vibration system minimizes fatigue during use. This chainsaw is perfect for professionals and homeowners tackling heavy-duty projects. While the higher price reflects its premium features, its durability, performance, and versatility make it a worthwhile investment. If you want a chainsaw that combines power, reliability, and adaptability, the WTHW WH5803 is your best bet. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.